Hello, welcome to this set of videos on grade school mathematics. Yes, a fun way to presenting the topics that will be covered in the videos that are part of the modules for preparation for the National Grade 6 Assessment exam. All the topics that are required for the curriculum are covered in these modules and these engaging videos. It covers, for example, fractions, conversion of fractions, improper fractions, all types of fractions, sets, significant figures, proper fractions, decimal places, circles, proper fractions, symmetry, radius, square, compound interest, similar triangles, obtuse angles, number systems, operations, simple interest, solid shapes, profit and loss, isosceles triangle, pass or fail, diameter, scores, grade school scores, profit and loss, area, numbers, number systems, equations, decimal places, similar triangles. All the topics that are required are covered in the videos. So by using this cloud, this is what is called a word cloud. What you see on your screen is a word cloud in the shape of a horse. So at the top of the horse, solid shapes, radius, perimeter, triangles, and so on. So this image will help you remember the topics that are covered. You have questions come in the exam, questions related to significant figures, simple interest, measurement, sets, mass, compound interest. So what's at the bottom of this nozzle here? The parallelograms, quizzes, scores, degrees, etc. So all those topics are covered extensively in the modules and show you step by step how to solve those problems. Enjoy.